Hi, I'm Steve, and I understand that you may be skeptical about the power of lean, and the idea of a hidden factory may be foreign to you. So I want to reassure you that you're not alone in your doubts. Many people question why they should invest their time, their effort, and their money into something they don't believe is broken. But let me tell you, inside every factory or office or hospital, there is a hidden factory or office or hospital just waiting to be discovered. A hidden factory emerges as defects flow downstream and are temporarily fixed through workarounds, rather than addressing the root cause. And over time, these workarounds accumulate and create a larger underlying issue. The formulation of a hidden factory is often caused by a combination of multiple problems in a complex system, rather than just one isolated issue. So, one of the key concepts of lean is to identify and eliminate non-value-added activities and these hidden problems. And by eliminating these unnecessary activities, we can free up resources and focus on activities that truly matter and bring value to the customer. I know that embarking on a lean journey can seem daunting and time-consuming, but the truth is, the improvements that you will see in your business will far outweigh the time and energy invested. By using a structured and systematic approach with lean methodology at its core, these small changes can lead to a transformation within your business. We've seen companies achieve lead time reduction of 40 to 60% and space savings of 20 to 40%, a defect reduction of 60 to 80%, and work in progress reduction of 30 to 50%, and employee satisfaction goes up. Now, these are just examples, and each company's results will depend upon many factors, but they give you an idea of the potential benefits that can be achieved. So if you're wondering why you should invest your time, your money, and your resources into this, please reach out to us today, and let's embark on this journey of improvement together. I believe we can help you discover the hidden factory in your business and transform it from within.